Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial today we are going to be talking about taxonomy. And what exactly is taxonomy in WordPress? It simply means category and tags. If you look at this blog right now, you can see by the right hand side here our posts are categorized. You can see politics, lifestyle, sports, entertainment, health, technology, and so on. And if you look at the navigation bar here, you can see politics, lifestyle, sports, entertainment, and health. So the categories are also arranged here. That simply means that on our navigation bar, if you are creating our blog, we can easily add our pages and categories in our navigation bar. Now, why is it important that you master arranging your post into category? Is that with time your blogs will be very large. You know, you are supposed to be updating your blog every day, especially if you are running a news blog. People want to see what is trending, what the latest news is. So with time you are going to be having thousands of posts on your blog, and it will become difficult for people to navigate your blog. And this is why it is very much important that you arrange your post in category. And another reason why you should arrange your post into categories is because, for instance, you are blogging about different niches. You are blogging about fashion, you are blogging about lifestyle, you are blogging about sports, you are blogging about entertainment, you are doing a celebrity gist. There are people that will be coming to your blog. All they want to see is celebrity gist. They don't want to really care about other categories of posts that you have on your blog. So you can make life easy for them by clicking on the category and easily find the category that they are looking for on your blog. So in a nutshell, for instance, I'm coming to this blog, I'm having politics, lifestyle, sports, but I'm not interested in all of them. What I'm just interested in is entertainment. So instead of me looking around the blog to look for entertainment news, what I will just simply do is to click on entertainment, and then it will take me to posts that are categorized under entertainment. Now you can see category entertainment. Now here you can see entertainment, 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 and entertainment. So that simply means all the posts I will be seeing on this page are going to be based on entertainment. Now if I go back to the home page now, for instance, I'm done with entertainment news and I want to read about politics, then I can easily click on politics. Then it will take me to politics page. Then you can see all posts here are categorized under politics. So that makes it very easy for me to navigate this blog. Now don't forget that the posts we are having on our blog for now, they are posts that came with our demo installation when we were installing our theme. So at a stage in this course, I'm going to remove everything on this blog. I'm going to reset this blog back to the default where we had nothing on this blog. Then I'm going to start a blog from the beginning to the end in a video. But this is for tutorial purpose, and I installed this demo content so that you can understand some things. So for instance, I want to explain category now. I can see something to explain with. All right, so let us go back to our dashboard. And I also mentioned tags. We are going to be discussing tag in this video also, and these two things are called taxonomy, and they are very important when you are creating your blog, especially category. So when you are visiting any blog, you may likely not see tags, but a good blog you are going to see category. It is mostly and commonly used in blogs. Now I promised that I'm going to run through the items on this dashboard, and under this post we have all posts, add posts, categories, and tag. And before that we have dashboard, and this is our dashboard. There's nothing much to teach on this dashboard here, but if you want to see activities, you want to see WordPress events, you can leave them. But if you don't want to see any one of them, you can come to screen option here and uncheck all these boxes here. But the one you are interested in, you can leave them For instance, I want to leave my site health. I can leave it checked. Then I can close this screen option. Then right here you can see all other things on this dashboard, they are gone except my site health. So I want to see how good is my site. Is there vulnerability? Is there any problem? But like you can see here, it is saying my site health is good. So the next item here is post, and under this post we have all posts, add post, category and tag. And majorly in this video we are going to be discussing category and tag. Then in the next video I'm going to talk on how to create your post and assign your post to category. I just don't want this video to be too long because it is a course and I don't want you to get bored. All right, so let us click on category. So you can see categories here. In the front here you can see the categories of posts that we have. So let me go back to the home page. Okay, so in the front here you can see politics, lifestyle, sport, entertainment, health and all. So these are categories, and right here this is where you create your category. Under post you will see category. All right, so you can see it here: business, entertainment, health, lifestyle, politics, sports, technology, uncategorized and what. Okay, so these are the categories that we have. Now we can add to this category, we can delete category here, we can edit our category. These categories are the categories that came with our demo content. We were not the one that created this, but we are going to create our own now. So I want to create a category now. I want to call it news. Okay, then the next one here is slug. We've imputed name of the category here, which is news, and this slug also you can put anything you like there, but if you are naming your category it should be the same advisably. Okay, but if you don't put anything there, don't worry, WordPress will help you to put it and it is okay. Now parent category, you can choose any category to be under a category, but we'll come back to that. And your description, you can describe your category. Also you can assign color to category. Now this color of a thing, you may not see it in other themes, but for now I would advise that you use the same theme that I'm using. In the previous lecture when I installed this theme, install the same theme so that we can be on the same page. When we are done with this lecture, then you can delete everything and start again, or create another one and start again. But for now, so that it will be easy for you to follow up, just work with the same theme that I'm working with. Like I said, you may not have this color in any other theme, or you may also have it, but if you don't have it, you can see the categories here, they have different colors. So you can see this is green, this is purple, this is blue, so they have different color. Most of the times you may see that color under customization. We've done theme customization in the last video, so you may see it under customization, and that is why I also mentioned to you that customization is not the same with all WordPress theme. So I'm going to click on add category. This is news category now, so I want to click on add category. So we created this category without adding it under any category. All right, so you will see it right here. We have news now. Okay, let's assume that on the same blog where I want to blog about news, I also have local news and foreign news. Now since we have local news and foreign news, both of them are news, so I'm going to put it here, local news. Then the slug, I can leave it empty. You can see the news we created, the WordPress added news by itself as slug. So normally I leave my slug for WordPress to add it by itself. Okay, then I want to put it under a parent category, so I'm putting it under news because I'm having local news. Then a local news is under news as a category, so I'm going to click on add category. All right, so right here you can see local news, but it is placed directly under news. for us, and you can see this hyphen before local news to show that this local news is under news. Okay, now I want to create foreign news. Okay, so that is foreign news category, and also you can leave the slug empty, but if you don't want to leave it empty, you can also write foreign news. And if you are writing your slug, it has to be in lowercase hyphen news. Okay, there must not be space in between. Then I can also put it under news because foreign news is under news. Then let me just choose any color, then I click on add category. All right, so right here we have foreign news and we have local news under news. Now under these three categories, we don't have any news under them for now. For instance, I want to click on view right now and open in a new tab. You can see nothing found. We don't have any news under this category, but if I come back and come under entertainment and view, you can see we have news under this entertainment. Now adding news to your category is not going to be done in this video. I will do that in the next video so that you can digest each class of this course. All right, let me close this and go back. Now this is how to create category and how to assign a category under another category. But now if you want to edit, you can do edit, you can do quick edit, you can delete it, and you can view it, which we have done in this class. Then if I want to edit, I will click on edit. So for instance, you want to change the name from foreign news to foreign new. That is very easy to do. Just edit. Maybe you want to change the color, you can change the color and click on update. Okay, so let me go back to all categories, go to categories. You can now see it right here. News, foreign news has turned to foreign new. We edited it. Then if you want to do quick edit also, you click on quick edit. Then you can see it right here. Just the name, you can change it back to foreign news. Then click update category. All right, so that is done. If you want to delete, you can click on delete. Then it will remove this category from the list of category here. Now let us work with the categories that we have post under them already. So we have this business, entertainment, health, lifestyle. Now if I come to business and view, okay, you can see all news here, they are under business. You can see it right here, the category business, 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 and business. Now for you to understand what this parent category does, so I want to place a category under this business category. So let me edit this entertainment category, and then I'm going to choose business as my parent category. Okay, then I'm going to click on update. So entertainment is now under business. So if I refresh this page, I should have both business and entertainment post. Okay, so you can see the category remains business, but because business is a parent category to entertainment, then on this page I can have entertainment and business post on the same page. Now this is the idea. When we created news here, we have foreign news, we have local news. So people who want to read only foreign news can easily click on foreign news. People who want to read local news can click on local news, but people who want to also read both local news and foreign news can click on news. Then it will show both foreign news and local news together. So just the way we have done here, if you put entertainment under business and somebody is clicking on business, then it will show both business and entertainment. Now the child does not display the parent display the child. So for instance, now if I click to view entertainment, it will not show me business news, it will only show me entertainment news. Okay, so you can see entertainment, because business category is not under entertainment. Entertainment is under business. So business will show itself and show the child, which is entertainment. Okay, so if I click on business for now to view it, you can see it right here. It will show entertainment news and business news, even though the category is business. But because business is a parent tag to entertainment, then it will show itself, which is business, and show entertainment category also. So we have created news, foreign news and local news. In the next video, we are going to learn how to create posts and assign our post to categories. All right, so that is that about category. Now let us go to tag. Okay, so we come under tag. Now let us try to explain the difference between this category and tag. Now imagine a book. At the preliminary pages, when you have table of contents, you will have topics. Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. Those are synonymous to categories in a blog. But at the back, you are going to see index. So, for instance, you are looking for a particular word in that book. You are not going to check it in the table of contents. You are going to go to the back where you have index to look for that word. Okay, so the same thing happens with our blog. Category is the table of contents, while tag is the index. But most times people don't use tag on their blog. But let me teach you that if you want to add tag, you can easily add. For instance, you can add fashion as a tag and click on add tag. You can also edit, delete and view. But I will talk more on tag when we want to create our post, because it is easier to actually create your tag during post. Okay, that will be all for this tutorial. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, this is a video in a playlist. You can check other videos in the playlist if you want to learn how to create websites from beginner level to the advanced level using WordPress. And if you have watched this tutorial to this moment, please subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell. I will see you in the next class. Thank you for watching this tutorial.